What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Just want to do a little video on my wheeler here. What I want to do is take you back to when I first bought the wheeler and show you how I got to this point. This bike is just amazing. I love it. I can't wait to get to ride it more. I did get out on it one day, and I will have some video of that coming up for you. But right now, what I want to do is show you how I got to this point. Picking the bike up, Caprers, and taking it down to Dan's to have the bumpers made and the rack, and that kind of thing. So check it out. Let me know in the bottom what you think. You're going to see a lot more of this wheeler throughout the summer. We got rides planned in Connecticut, excuse me, not Connecticut, Kentucky, West Virginia, and Virginia. 4th of July week, we're going to be down in that area riding. A few rides in Canada, lots of rides around New York here, and lots of fun stuff planned. So stay tuned, look for those. You can actually find out a lot of our ride schedule on my YouTube, not my YouTube channel, but my website, ultimateoutdoors.com. Check it out, and check out this video. Here we are, Caprers. Let's go inside and see what they got. Or should we go next door? I don't know. What's everybody think? We'll see. There's a Renegade. 1000. So 2017. Well, here it is. Big 1000. Been long enough on the other one.
Always on just the kill switch and then hit the start button. It'll say Ultimate Outdoors Performance Key. Four-wheel for you.
Yeah, definitely. This looks a little sketchy on the ice.
We have a ramp here to use, but Rich is brave.
So I won't go through the window.
Nope, can't go.
There's your first and last ride of the day.
Oh, the tailgate don't close.
No more room.
Oh, good thing we bought some straps. Alright, straps. I picked this wheeler up at Caprers. I think it was December 28th, and picked it up and we headed right down to Plateau Fabrications. I met Dan once. It was a little nerve-wracking taking my brand new four-wheeler that I just wanted to ride, and I took it down to Plateau Fabrications. I got to drive it up on the truck and then back off the truck at Dan's, and I left it for a week. Even the dash don't want to read right now. It's full of fuel. good on anything.
Well, I got boots on.
Custom cage. What's this cage for?
It's going for Razor Turbo in Jersey. Pretty basic.
Yep.
Domestic racing, chop. A few light mounts. Got stock mounts on it for the Polaris harnesses. You wanted mounts on it for the reservoirs, just like the stock ones. So I did that. That one's going Monday.
Well, here it is, brand new. We're ripping it apart.
It's already broke.
Yep.
Brand new, it's already broke.
Yep. Didn't even get off the truck.
It's typical. Typical wrench making him do all the work.
I don't want to break it.
They put long ones in there.
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's coming out, baby. They give me a little extra thread there.
Is that more to go?
Yeah. Maybe we can get this one cracked loose.
What size are you?
13.
13?
You don't need me.
Should be just a pull.
Oh, because it's still
Oh,
zip
zip tie. Yep.
Aren't you guys glad you brought me?
Yes, I am.
Hey.
Jeez, I don't know what we do.
You guys be stuck here for hours going, why is it still connected?
Oh boy, that shit's getting deep.
Yeah, no.
Batteries.
Brad kit. That thing looks sweet. That's whole fabrications. That looks awesome.
Picture your bumper.
Bumper's got the rounded.
Warm
He's also working on a front bumper for a regular Renegade, so we'll be looking for that. But if you're interested in one of these bumpers, get a hold of Plateau Fabrications or me. I'll put you in contact with them. But these are solid. I mean, these are solid racks. They got a big, heavy back support that goes down and bolts into the frame in the back, just like the XMR bumpers do. They come up and they bolt down in here. Just great work. So check out Plateau Fabrications if you're interested in one of these. Definitely check it out. Well, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button. If you're still here watching me right now, you must have liked the video. So go ahead and hit subscribe, top corner up here, and heck, you might as well watch one of these videos. Check them out. Later.